This is a quick video. I just want to say thank you to all the newest subscribers and all existing subscribers as well. And, I'm trying to be as consistent as possible. And, I try to post at least twice or the most 3 times out the week. And I do work Monday through Friday during the week. And I make sure that, I try to keep everything balanced, and I do a lot of other things outside as well, like with investing and just different things. But I really and truly thank you for the continued growth of the channel as well, and I'm looking forward to being able to travel once again and even bring a Mopar to the channel. So I'm continuing to stay optimistic, and in due time. And thank you again. Redesign, rebuild, reclaim.